Students, Assalamu alaikum. Still, the world is facing the mighty challenge of COVID 19, this deadly virus that originated from the Wuhan city of China has killed almost more than 250,000 people worldwide. It is wise attempt that we must remain inside our homes so that this deadly infection may not reach to us. Government of J&K is well set to reopen schools from 1st of June 2020, and I hope the normal schooling will start very soon, and we will discuss the things there in detail, because in a video of 5 or 6 minutes it is difficult to describe a concept clearly. And today it's the turn of political science class 12th and topic hegemony as hard power. First of all, you need to know what is hegemony. Hegemony in simple terms means dominance. Dominance of one state. Of one state. Politically, state means country. While the hard power in the world, it has a long history. It can be traced back to the ancient Greek when this term was used in the Greek politicus. A political scientist called Joseph Nye coined a term that's called the soft power. Soft power simply means countries' tangible resources such as population, natural resources, and other things that boost economic power of the state. But when we talk about the hard power, it is indeed military strength of a state or political dominance of state or a key role in the diplomacy or the foreign policy. Students, you might be knowing, after the end of Cold War in 1991, US emerged as only the superpower in the world, and the rest of the states in the world came under the dominance of US in many respects. US started its dominance in all respects in every manner, and you have its few examples that are quite open. Sanctions are being imposed on Iran, and there were many military operations carried on by the America around the globe to show its hegemony as a hard power. Afghanistan, where action has been taken by the US, United States of America, Operation SEAL carried on by the Americans, Operation Desert Storm carried on also by the Americans to show or expose its military strength. One of the important things about the hegemony as hard power that American soldiers or American troops have strength to reach every point on the planet. So, summarizing the fact, hegemony means simply dominance, and hard power means when a country or a state takes military actions or boosts its military capability to influence rest of the world. After the end of Cold War, America emerged as only the superpower in the world, and it developed its military strength and in millions or crores times bigger than every state, and exposed its military strength all over the world that you see in the different operations that were carried by Americans to show its hegemony in the complete world. So, students, you must keep in mind that the dominance of the Americans is still going on in the world, and this dominance in terms of the military strength or diplomatic policies is termed as simply hard hegemony as hard power. In next 15 days or 20 days, the schools will reopen, I hope, and I will throw the complete light on this very topic that is called hegemony as a hard power. In the video of the 15 or 10 minutes, it is difficult to elaborate the concept fully until this pandemic goes away. We should rely on these things only. A short videos of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and books are available with you. You might see the books in your homes and get the concept well cleared. In case of any query, you can call me on my number that's already in your possession, and I will answer your any query if the query arises in your mind. Thanks.